My name is Janet Kampten. I'm the lead instructional designer for Napa Valley Wine Academy. My education background, I have a bachelor's in linguistics and cultural studies. I have a master's degree in library and information science with an emphasis on instructional design. And I also have the WSET Level 4 Diploma in Wines and Spirits. What brought me into wine? Well, I had an amazing glass of Cabernet Franc at Artesa here in Napa, and I decided while I was still finishing my master's degree to pursue some lower level WSET certifications with the Napa Valley Wine Academy, and that sort of translated itself into getting into the wine industry and working in education. The most recent course that I have developed for the Academy is the Côte du Rhône online course. I developed that along with Peter Marks, Master of Wine, and Interrhône, the organization that represents the wines of the Northern and Southern Rhône. And this course is meant for students that are kind of at the level 2 or level 3 area of expertise in WSET, and really goes more in depth into the wines of the Côte du Rhône AOC, Côte du Rhône Village AOC, and the Côte du Rhône Village AOCs with geographic named villages. My teaching style is really rooted in adult learning theory. So I like to start students off with kind of a bigger picture, kind of a bird's eye view of a topic. And then we'll take what I call a scaffolding approach, where we'll break it down into its component parts, really understand the pieces that make up a topic, and then we'll put them all back together, usually with something discussion-based or in a group activity. Fun fact about myself, I seem to have a really good internal compass. It can always tell which way is north. It's that way.